Alright, what to cook for breakfast? Well, I think we'll do some hamburger and eggs maybe, yeah. Maybe put some cheese on it, cheeseburger and eggs. Alright, so we're cooking with JMD.com. Turn this over in a few minutes then. Put a little cover on it. Ooh, sizzling right away. Oh yeah, check it out. Cooking right up, baby, yeah. Cooking that up, getting ready for some eggs. Pretty soon. Alrighty, put a little cheese on this sucker, eh? Maybe flip it one more time. Just like that. Well, it tastes good already. Put the cover on. Put this sucker on here. A little olive oil. Oh yeah, olive oil, good stuff, man. Get ready for the eggs. Alright, crack a few eggs up on this. See what happens, eh? Yeah, baby. Whoops, little shell action. Don't want no shell action in there, huh? I hope I got it. One more, because I only have 3 eggs left anyway, so. Cooking some eggs, baby, yeah. Alright, put a little cover on there. Help it cook a little quicker. Pretty soon we'll have breakfast. Solar cooking, baby, yeah. Alright, now the question, can I flip this sucker without screwing it up, huh? Yeah, baby. Here we go. You wait a few minutes, it'll be done. I can probably take it off, it'll still cook. And then see what breakfast looks like. Alright, got my cheeseburger. Yeah. Oh, come on, baby. And I got my eggs. Solar breakfast, man. There it is. Heat me up some water for some more coffee, maybe. Oh, yeah. Solar cooking with Peter Hill. Getting ready for hurricane season, you know. Got my solar panel, my solar cooker. So I should be good to go. Now, gonna eat some breakfast. Yeah.